Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you question tags. So first of all, we must understand the definition of question tag. Question tags are nothing but short phrases asking for agreement or confirmation. That means when we say something to emphasize that speech, we seek agreement or confirmation from the person whom we tell the sentence. So this tag gets negative tag when the sentence is affirmative. When the sentence is affirmative, we have to make negative tag. So how to make a negative tag? We have to use not with auxiliary. With auxiliary, we have to add not in contracted form. So not not erokom na likhe amra contracted form, short form and apostrophe t ei forme amra negative tag korte pari. তো এখন কথা হচ্ছে যে জায়গাতে যে সেন্টেন্সে কোনো সেন্টেন্স এরকম থাকতে পারে যেখানে আমরা হেল্পিং ভার্ব পাই না বা অক্সিলারি ভার্ব থাকে না। সাপোজ হি ওয়াকস এ মাইল এভরিডে, তো এই হি ওয়াকস এ মাইল এভরিডে এই সেন্টেন্সটাতে কোনো হেল্পিং ভার্ব বা অক্সিলারি ভার্ব নেই। সেখানে আমরা কি করতে পারি? সো ওয়্যার উই ডোন্ট গেট any auxiliaries, we have to introduce do. So if the sentence is in past tense, then do will be did. If we get that the verb that the verb follows s or es, then we can introduce does. In this way, do, did, does are introduced while we don't find any auxiliaries in a sentence. Okay, so for example, you can see here, you have done it, you have done it. So here the auxiliary is have, the auxiliary is have. So I have just added not, but in contracted form. Haven't you, the subject is you. So we have to remember here that in question tag we cannot put a noun here, we have to put here a pronoun. Suppose if here we would find any name, so in the question tag we would not put the name, rather we would put the pronoun form of that name or noun. Okay, so there are some auxiliaries, some extraordinary auxiliaries. They are extraordinary. Why I am telling so? Because after adding not with them, they change their form. Okay, they change their form. Like here you can see m plus not, it becomes aren't. M plus not, it becomes aren't. Let me set it. So am plus not equal to aren't. Shall plus not equal to shan't. Will plus not equal to won't. Can plus not equal to can't. And used plus not equal to didn't. Used plus not equal to didn't. So this is the very first rule of question tag. The very first rule, that means if we find a affirmative sentence, we have to make a negative tag, and to make a negative tag we have to add not with the auxiliary verb. Okay, and if we don't get an auxiliary, then we have to introduce do, did, does according to the formation of the verb of the sentence. Okay.